In this video, I'll be showing the fully integrated Copilot Chat into Microsoft Teams. I'm here in Teams, and over on the left app bar, there's a Copilot icon. And if I click this, the full Copilot Chat experience is available right here. And this is available to all commercial customers and all education customers. Now I'm going to do a quick tour of all the different things you have. One of the first things to note is that up in the upper right, you see this enterprise data protection. So everything in here is safe, secure, compliant. We don't train any of the prompts on your data. And behind the scenes, this uses the full GPT-4o by default, which is from OpenAI. But what's really nice is there's this try GPT-5. So I'm going to turn this on. Now I'm using GPT-5 in Copilot Chat. This is quite powerful. We'll just start with something simple. So this is just a chatbot and a prompt, and I'm going to give it a message. Please prepare an email for my team that explains why we need to use the new TPS report cover sheets and do it in the style of Bill Lumbergh. Here goes Copilot. Great, so yeah, about those TPS report cover sheets. So it can do simple things like that. And if I want to read it out loud, I have a nice little read aloud button.
Here's a draft email in full Bill Lumbergh style.
So it has a nice read aloud feature. I will go to the upper right and click Start a New Chat. Now you can also add different files, and there are some draft prompts to get started. So there's a bunch here, and there are lots of different options to explore. So maybe I want to help prepare for a review of a specific document with leadership. And there's a / to start typing. It also gives me a few options right here. So I'm going to choose Initech sales data, and it attaches that spreadsheet that I have in OneDrive, and it's going to add a list of potential business questions leaders might ask, etc. So I'll hit go. So it'll analyze that spreadsheet. It's reviewed everything. So sales data, expenses, employee survey, sales summary, those are all things that were inside of that spreadsheet. So lots of different questions here. This is super interesting. It can do the full analysis on expenses, employee sentiment, indicating morale issues, strategic decisions, and opportunities to improve clarity and readability. So now I might say, hey, generate a few key charts based on this data, and we'll hit go. So now it's going to generate a few charts after analyzing that spreadsheet. Okay, total revenue by product. Look at that TPS report cover sheets, the most revenue, sales distribution by region, employee satisfaction, and a lot of good stuff. So what's cool is I have all the sources where that came from. That came from my Initech demo sales data. Now, what I also might want to do is I want to save this somewhere. And this little pencil here is going to put this in a tool called Pages, which is really Loop behind the scenes. So now it's inserted all this data onto this Loop page. And this Loop page is shareable and collaboratable. So I can go here and share the page link. I could copy the component. I can send it to Word. And this is now stored. I'll close that Loop page. You can get a sense of how that works. I'll go back and say New Chat. Now some other features, if I want to collapse everything here, now I've got the full screen. I'll go back and open that up again. All the different chats that I've been having are stored over here so I can access other chats. If I want to generate an image, Chat can do that too. Please generate a cartoon image of Bill Lumbergh holding a TPS report and a stapler. All right, there he is. He's got his TPS report and a red stapler. Another nice feature is this view prompt gallery. A lot of people don't know this exists. So if I choose view prompts, all these different prompts, I can explore all types of things and ideas on how to use Copilot Chat. You can also filter on things like ask, learn, create, catch up. Job type is in here. Lots of different job types to explore. And then if you have agents, those will show up as well. And if you've saved prompts, you can choose your prompts here from your own library. So this is the Copilot prompt gallery. We'll hit New Chat. More recently, we've updated Copilot Chat with memory so it can know who you are and what you do. So I'll give it a message here. Hey, my name is Mike Tholfsen. I work at Initech. My manager is Bill Lumbergh. Now I'm just going to say, please add to memory. We'll see what happens. Okay, it says memory updated, and we'll show what that looks like. It also says, would you like a reminder system so you don't forget those TPS report cover sheets? So this updates Copilot memories, and I can also get that through here. So if I go to settings, it's got Copilot memories, and I could add more things in there, but I'm also going to show Copilot instructions, and these are custom instructions on the way I want Copilot to always answer. So it says, feel free to include details about your interests, preferences, goals, or other information. So I'm going to say, please respond to all messages in the style of Bill Lumbergh from the office space, and we'll hit save. Okay, now I will close this. And let's hit New Chat. And let's just give it a prompt. Draft an email to my team urging them to read, and let's just have the TPS report Next Gen Designs, and reminding them to provide their feedback by the end of the day, etc. Yeah, I'm going to need you to review the TPS report. If you could go ahead and take a look at that TPS report, and for those of you that are fans for the Office Space, you'll know that this is in the style of Bill Lumbergh because of my custom instructions. Last thing to show briefly are agents. So I can get agents here. Agents are specifically purpose-built and they can help you complete complex tasks. They're based on the chat behind the scenes. You can also design your own custom agents. So there are some pre-built ones here in the agent store. I could also create an agent right here from within Copilot Chat in Teams. So this is the lightweight Copilot Studio where you can build and design agents. And you can design it really quick. I'll just give a super simple example. Design an agent based on the movie Office Space and give it some fun default prompts. So really quickly, it has some default prompts for this Office Space agent. I can even rename it. Please call it the Bill Lumbergh agent. And it updates it really easily. And if I want to configure it custom-wise, I can go in here, all sorts of information, description, instructions, default prompts, etc. And if I want to create it, I just go up here, click create, and that's super easy. I can share that out, etc. I'm not going to do the deep dive, but in the upper right, if you want to learn more, there's a video that goes deeper into agents amongst a bunch of other Microsoft 365 Copilot things. So that's your quick tour of Copilot Chat in Teams. This is fully rolled out and available today. If you want to keep up with all the latest Microsoft updates and tips and tricks, subscribe to my channel and then just ring the bell so you get all the latest videos that I post.